Well, I just got an email from somebody that asked, "What's a funnel?" They don't mind looking into it, but they're like, What's a funnel?" And all I can do is show you, I guess. That'd be probably the easiest way. So thanks for watching my videos, guys. Subscribing to my YouTube channel, and let me show you what a funnel is and why I use it with Save Club to put like salt and pepper on a steak. All right, to just make the already awesome opportunity from Save Club, I think, in my opinion, even better. Okay. Now, if you're not in Save Club yet and you're interested, I want you to go to both of these links. Now, the first one, officialsaveclub.com, this is how I've signed up, 50 people. I've signed up a total of 100, but the first 50, I just go ahead, officialsaveclub.com. People watch this 6-minute YouTube video produced by Save Club, and then they fill out your information there, hit the orange button, and then an email, pardon me, guys, will come, and you open up the Save Club email, and you can join or just read it, delete it, or every day I'll send you an email for 30 days, just one a day, and you can unsubscribe anytime. But yeah, you'll get a Save Club email. So if you're on the fence and you want to wait a week or two, okay, that's okay. Now, this is how I've signed up 50 some odd people. Now I've signed up an additional 50 people by using the funnel. And on top of that, the funnel, the company pays me $20 per person. So when I sign up someone in Save Club, that's a tongue twister. I will make anywhere from $20 to $32. But when someone signs up with the funnel system, I make an additional 20, not from Save Club, but the funnel company says, "Hey, Cory, you know what? Here's $20." And I use the funnel, and other people will set up the funnel. And they're like, "Oh my God, this is awesome." So it's great to make extra money with the Save Club funnel. And it's awesome to get signups in Save Club. And it's really awesome for that $19.97 to go ahead and save. Just log into saveclub.com, go to my deals, search the world, and see if you're saving on stuff you're already buying, okay? So just to repeat, look at my screen, officialsaveclub.com. You click it. You're going to get this exact page right here. You can put whatever name. I put Cory Draper. You can put your name. People will watch this video. They'll fill out their name if they want. And then boom, that's awesome. It's somewhat of a funnel system. Okay, you're getting people's information. I like to call this page a capture page. I'm capturing information. And when you secure the position, you get a nice email. You're in my matrix. You're not signed up yet, but it means that if you do, that you're signed up in my matrix when you pre-enrolled by clicking this orange button. Now that spot is saved until midnight Friday. Okay, so whatever country you're in or time zone, when it's midnight here Mountain Time, if I want to pre-enroll, I have till midnight Mountain Time here in Utah to where, yes, if I pre-enroll and fill out this information and lock in with this orange button, if I hurry and pay before midnight Mountain Time, I'm locked into the matrix. Okay, so if there's like 42 people that have kind of messed around a little bit and pre-enrolled too, well, if I hurry and pay by Friday Mountain Time at midnight, then I'm locked in, and those other 42 people cannot sign up above me. And you know what? Those 42 people, there might be a maniac like me that'll bring thousands into your group. Okay, that's the beauty of the hurry up by Friday at midnight thing. So think about it. Most people join Save Club because they want to save money. A lot of people, they want to earn money, but they want to join when they know they have at least an hour or two a day to do this business. You know, you got to promote, you got to post, and can you afford $80? Because if you have $80, you're a member, you have this exact page and a full-blown affiliate access. But let me show you the second funnel that just debuted. Okay, this is where I want you to click Save Club Funnels. Remember, funnels with an S. Save Club Funnels. You're going to go to this page. Let me back up. Sorry, guys, right here. Now, this exact page you can change, but this is what you get for $25. All right, you can change the boats in the back. You can change that button from yellow to pink. I would just leave it alone, and tinker with it later. Put in your email address in the white rectangle box and hit the yellow button. Now, this funnel, if you remember the other way, has a 6-minute video by YouTube. It's via YouTube. It's just a YouTube video, and it's hosted by our CEO. His name is Charles Moy. Now, I call this Money Melvin. Melvin's made me about $900 already, and I've only been doing this a little over a week. I think I'm on day number 11, and this funnel system has made me an additional $900. Because people that are in Save Club stalled right now, they're getting the funnel to, it's kind of like getting a shovel. All right, it's kind of like getting air in that tire that's flat. Click this button, and it's a 20-minute video. It just takes you on a longer, more in-depth journey about Save Club. It will explain it better on your behalf, because if you don't want to get on the phone and meet people or text and try to email people back, especially if you're new, you feel embarrassed. You're trying to answer questions, and you have questions yourself. Okay? Let this video right here that's pulsating, look, it can't wait for me to press it. Go ahead and do it. Now, after you watch it, if you like what you see and you want to join Save Club, go ahead and join. And when it clicks, boom, look where it goes. It goes to the original funnel. So the saveclubfunnel.com website, it's a funnel that's before this funnel. It's just, it helps people a little more understand. Sometimes it's better to watch a 20-minute video about Save Club versus just a quick one, like 6 minutes, or maybe even me going, hey guys, check this out, click this link. And you don't even know what it's about. I like where the video just explains everything on my behalf, why I'm sleeping, eating, I'm doing other stuff. That's what I love about a funnel system. It does not sleep. It's like a Terminator. It sits and educates, it recruits, it talks about the comp plan. It does everything for you. Guys, honestly, you do not need to be on the phone. You do not need to over talk about Save Club, because if you do, you almost ruin it. Let these videos do everything for you. In my case, please look into this, especially if you feel you're stuck, a little shy, and have no experience. And it don't matter if you've already signed up in Save Club already. Just hit saveclubfunnels.com, okay? And check it out. It's $25. I think you're going to like it. And then click the new funnel. See where it says Get New Funnel? Just click it. And then you're going to see the red button here where it says Join. American Express, Visa, Discover, there's no contracts, there's no nothing. It's $25 if you like the funnel, then month after month, use it. Okay? But remember, there's an affiliate side. So if you email or get a hold of someone and you want to go ahead and promote this funnel system, you can do what I do. Go ahead and promote it. And the company will pay you $20 for each person month after month after month that they use the funnel. And like I said, I've already earned 900 and some. I'll be well over 1,000 by this weekend. It's a Thursday as I produce this video. Guys, within 2 weeks, I'm making an extra $1,000 a month. And it's going to go to $2,000 to $3,000 to $4,000 to $5,000 a month. I just know it. I can tell by people's excitement by getting this funnel system. Matter of fact, I've made, I think, 2 or 3 sales already this morning. There's another $60 I've already made. And I haven't even had my first cup of coffee yet. And that money, I can count on that money next month, because I know everyone's going to use this funnel. This is my opinion. I can't guarantee money. All my money claims, I got to be careful on how I mention the money side. But this is what I've been experiencing. Having fun, promoting YouTube videos, posting on TikTok, Instagram. Guys, do you realize that when you join the funnel for $25, do you see that red button right there? We're going to give you free video, free, fresh, every week content. Pictures, banners to use on Facebook, Instagram, Chit Chat, those small little videos, Reels, TikToks, the ones that are like 15 seconds. Plus, we have 3 Zooms, Monday, Wednesday, Friday. We have so many live Zooms, and they're recorded. You can go on my YouTube channel. I record them all. But take your time, but not too much, because we're only day 5 of kicking this whole opportunity off. You know how rare it is to have $1 million business that's going to probably be one day in the category of $1 billion. And you're day 5 if you're watching me. Get in. There's hardly any affiliates at this point. And you and I know that if 10 affiliates pay $60 right now to be an affiliate, you know only one is going to be a member that kicks ass like I do. There's no competition. Everybody that I've talked to that is a guru that's been doing this business for a long time, they say that, yeah, about 7, 8, 9 people that join as an affiliate, they're not going to post every day. So why don't you be that 1 or 2 people out of 10 that just post and post? We have free pictures. Post 20 times a day, just the pictures. Take our videos and upload them everywhere. And there's, guys, check this out. This is awesome. And in my case, officialsafeclub.com. Go crazy. Post, post, post. He or she who posts the most is going to boast about probably spending money on some expensive roast. All right. And then we're going to raise and have a toast. Okay. I don't know what else. What else rhymes with oast? But anyway, let's make this fun. Join. Okay. You got the $80. Good. Get the funnel for 25. You're at 105. And if you want business cards like I do, just go to like Vistaprint or your favorite printer. Business cards are cheap. I pay $22 for a massive box that'll last me 2 years. Here's my cards. Okay. And you can buy your own domain. I think GoDaddy's the best by far. I've been with them 30 years. They host 91 websites for me right now. And they are awesome. Live. You can call them and get your own, like workwithcory.com, joincory.com, joincorynow.com. Do you see how I get fun domains? officialsaveclub.com. How about saveclubfunnels.com? Get your own domain. They're $12 and 17 pennies. And to forward to your wherever you want to go, I recommend forward, obviously, to your Save Club business. But if you want to pay for traffic too, and that's where you pay a company for leads, clicks, traffic, you have to go through the club funnel. You can't send paid traffic directly to this page here, because if it's fake and it jams up the server here where you sign up, Save Club will shut off this page and you can only be a member. You won't be able to make money. So do not put massive, spammy, crappy email or any type of leads directly into this page. But you can if you want to use the funnel, because the funnel, there's so many steps to go through that fake robots and all that bot and spam and crap, it can't jam up the funnel system. So just remember, if you want to do paid traffic, that's okay, but you have to use a funnel system like saveclubfunnels.com. All right, guys, thanks for your time. I love doing videos like this, especially in the morning. I'm full of energy. I have my coffee ready. I've already made $60. And thank you for watching my videos and subscribing to my YouTube channel. All right, my work is done, and you guys have a kick-ass day. Talk to you soon, guys. Bye.